Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on updating your iPad to the most up-to-date version of iPad OS. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening up the Settings app. Scroll down and select General. In General Settings, tap Software Update. Your iPad will now check for updates. If it finds an update, you can select Download and Install. You can change the automatic updates options here, whether you want your iPad to download and install updates on its own, or if you want to do it manually. Once the update has been downloaded, it will install when your iPad is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.